whispered every night. Through the tears and lonely hours, she asked God for a love done right. She said, Lord, send me a man who sees more than my past, more than what bleeds. She prayed me into her arms with faith fierce like a lion's heart. Now I'm wrapped in grace, safe in her charm. She didn't chase love, she prayed it from afar. He was healing, he was growing, but something in her spirit called his name. Not by force, not by showing, but her prayers lit his heart like a flame. And she never begged, never tried to prove. She let God write the move. She prayed me into her arms with faith fierce like a lion's heart. Now I'm wrapped in grace, safe in her charm. She didn't chase love, she prayed it from afar. Oh, the heavens heard her cries and aligned our sacred time. Now we walk in love that's true because she